To make a Bovada account, start by going to the Bovada website and clicking on the Join button. This will take you to a registration page where you will need to provide some personal information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. Fill out the form carefully and make sure to use a valid email address and phone number, as these will be used to verify your account. Next, create a username and password for your account. Choose a unique and secure password that you have not used before and make sure to store it in a safe place. Once you have filled out the registration form, click on the Join Now button to create your account. After creating your account, you will need to verify your email address by clicking on a link sent to you by Bovada. This is a security measure to ensure that the email address you provided is valid and belongs to you. Once you have verified your email address, you can log into your account and start exploring the website. To make a deposit, go to the cashier page and select your preferred payment method. Bovada offers a variety of payment options including credit cards, Bitcoin, and bank transfers. Choose the payment method that is most convenient for you and follow the instructions to complete the deposit. Once you have made a deposit, you can start betting on sports, playing casino games, or participating in poker tournaments. Bovada offers a wide range of betting options and games, so you are sure to find something that suits your interests. To place a bet, navigate to the sportsbook page and select the sport and event you want to bet on. Choose the type of bet you want to place and enter the amount you want to wager. Review your bet carefully before submitting it to ensure that everything is correct. Finally, always remember to bet responsibly and within your means. Set a budget for yourself and stick to it, and never chase losses. By following these steps and practicing responsible betting habits, you can have a fun and rewarding experience on Bovada.